Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth no matter what happens in the economy? It's easy to assume they were simply lucky or born into rich families. But the truth is, most self-made millionaires share something much more powerful than luck. They follow the right habits every single day. The good news is that these habits don't require a six-figure salary. They don't require winning the lottery or taking huge risks. In fact, anyone can begin practicing them today. Welcome to Money Blueprints USA. If your goal is to become financially stronger, build long-term wealth, and take control of your future, you're in the right place. Stay with me until the end because the final habit is the one that separates ordinary earners from people who achieve real financial freedom. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first. Most people pay everyone else before paying themselves. They pay rent, utility bills, shopping expenses, entertainment subscriptions, and restaurants. Whatever money remains at the end of the month is saved, if anything is left at all. Millionaires do the opposite. The moment they receive income, they automatically move a percentage into savings or investments before spending anything else. Even saving 10% of your income consistently can create a powerful habit over time. The amount matters less than the consistency. Think of saving as paying your future self. Every dollar you save today is working to make your future life easier. Habit number 2, live below your means. Many wealthy people don't look wealthy. They avoid buying expensive things just to impress others. Instead of upgrading their lifestyle every time they earn more money, they continue living comfortably while investing the difference. This habit is one of the biggest reasons wealth grows over time. Imagine receiving a salary increase. One person immediately buys a luxury car with higher monthly payments. Another person keeps driving the same reliable car and invests the extra income every month. 5 or 10 years later, the difference can be enormous. Real wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about owning assets that continue growing while you sleep. Every smart financial decision you make today becomes a building block for tomorrow's financial freedom.